How to add a banner to your Shopify checkout. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you what we need to do to actually add a banner image to our Shopify checkout. Now I don't think I actually can, if we just go to customize here and we just go to checkout. Yeah, unfortunately I can't really show you that it is actually going to work, but regardless, I will show you how to actually do it, and it should work for you normally. But it is not from here, so you can't really just go to customization and just go to checkout from here, and it's actually going to work. Instead, you actually want to do it in a different way. So let's just go ahead and talk about it. So you first need to go to your Shopify admin, obviously. Go to online store themes and click on customize, just like we did previously. So just go ahead and open up the customization page. And then from here, instead of going to checkout from here, you won't really have an option to do it from there. What we need to do is actually go to the theme settings on the left panel here. So just go ahead and click on the gear icon. And then from here at the bottom, just go ahead and scroll all the way down. And then you should find one, two, three here, checkout page, or the checkout option. So just go ahead and select that. And from here, we can actually go ahead and see we have the option to add a banner background image. So once you find this, you can just simply click on select image. And then you would want to click on add images if you don't have it already. And I'm just going to be using this one as an example. And I'm just going to click on open after I have selected it. And once it actually loads in, we can just make sure it is ticked and click on done. And we should have a background image banner in our checkout page. Now, like I said, unfortunately, I can't really show you how that actually looks like because, I can't really access it. But we also have more options here in the same section, which is the checkout section. We can actually add a logo image if you want. So if you want to add a logo to your checkout as well, you can feel free to do so in here. Just again, click on select image and find the image that you want, and then just click on done. And you can also adjust how it actually looks like from positioning wise, logo size. You can make it medium, small, large, and so on. And then we also have the main content area where you can also add a background image. So it's going to be like around here somewhere from within the checkout page instead of the actual banner itself. And you can actually again just click on select image, select the image, and click on done. And now we should have the banner image, we should have the logo, and we also have the main content area background image all set up. And we also have more stuff here to choose from, like the order summary, and there's a lot more to it. But generally speaking, the banner is just this section over here. And now if you just want to preview it, you can just go to homepage here, click on the top, and then click on checkout. And like I said, I can't really show you how it's going to look like for me, but for you it should work completely fine. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.